Hey there everyone, my name is Riyaz.
Hi, I'm Jayasira.
Hello everyone, I am Anshika Kedia.
First in Developers. Worked as a software engineer intern at Abhyaz.
My experience spanned two roles, market research analyst and project management executive.
I joined Abhyaz as a training executive intern.
My internship as a system admin intern, project and product management.
During my time at Abhyaz, I had the opportunity to learn about the Zodesk and Zo Recruit, two essential.
Midway through this internship, I was offered the role of project management executive, where I managed daily meetings, maintained GitHub accounts, and coordinated project sprints for the company's core services.
As a training executive intern, I conducted induction session for the new joinees, preparation and updation of training modules.
One of my key responsibility was to download the service tickets and move the service ticket from Zoho WordPress to Zoho Workflow.
I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the CEO, Mrs. Sashi Saman, ma'am.
Overall, the internship was a fantastic opportunity for growth, and I'm grateful to MTAP Technology Center.
I am thankful to Abhyaz,